Just look at that. If you weren't hungry 2 seconds ago, you are now. Forget those fancy restaurant menus that charge a fortune for bland food. Today, we are making the absolute king of home cooked luxury mutton yakni pulao. This isn't just a meal, it's an emotion. It's that Sunday afternoon vibe where the whole house smells like heaven. बस हो गया. Just looking at this makes me want to jump into the screen. ये प्लेट देखकर भूख लग गई क्या? Then wait. Look at this potato. एकदम मक्खन. Mix it with the mutton and that fragrant long-grained rice. Swarg. Truly heaven on a plate. Now let me show you how we get here. So let's get to work. First, the yakni, the soul of the pulao. We take 1.5 kg of good quality mutton in a pressure cooker. To this, we add green chili, ginger garlic paste, one whole sliced onions, cumin seeds, some salt, bay leaf, whole green chilies, and 500 milliliters of water. Mutton will release its own moisture too, so balance your water carefully. Close the lid, one whistle on high, then lower the heat and let it simmer for 12 minutes. So no, don't overcook it. We need the meat 90% done. It has to finish its journey in the pulao handi later. And now look at that. This broth is called yakni and it is liquid gold. Strain it, save the mutton, and keep the precious yakni aside. Many people rush this step, but the secret is the broth. Every drop of this liquid should be packed with flavor. Now, step 2. Let's make our pulao masala. This is what separates a ghar ka pulao from a legendary pulao. Now, heat generous amount of ghee or oil. Add a pinch of salt. This ensures your potatoes don't stick to the pan. Fry the potatoes until they are golden and crisp. Take them out but keep the oil. In that same flavorful oil, toss in your long sliced onions. Cooking at times require a lot of patience, and this is that exact time when your patience gets tested. We want the onions deep golden brown. And now let's save some for the final garnish. That crunch is non-negotiable. Now move the onions to the side. Add your whole spices, zeera, shahi zeera, black peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon and cardamoms. Follow it with the ginger garlic chili paste. Let it fry until the raw smell vanishes. To this, add your boiled mutton. Give it all a good mix so that the masalas get well coated with the mutton. Then goes coriander powder and that magic pulao masala. इसी से तो खुशबू घर के बाहर तक जाएगी. The neighbors will definitely come knocking. So maybe cook enough for them too. Then went our fried potatoes. Now in goes 300 milliliter of fresh curd. Mix it all very well and then close the lid and let them have a party together until the oil starts to separate. See this? Curd has helped to blend all the masalas very well with the potatoes and the mutton. And now it's time to measure your rice. Use a cup to get the exact quantity. Now here's the pro tip. Use the same cup to measure your yakni. You need exactly double the liquid to rice. If you have 3 cups of rice, you need 6 cups of liquid. If you are short on yakni, just top it up with hot water. Then add some whole green chilies, fresh coriander leaves. At this stage, taste the water. It should be slightly salty, just a bit more than you would like because the rice will soak it up. Once you see it bubbling, lower the flame, cover and let it cook for 15 minutes till the water evaporates from the surface. And now look at that. The water has evaporated and the rice is standing tall and fluffy. It's time to switch off the flame. Now garnish with those fried onions that we kept aside and a luxurious drizzle of ghee and more coriander. Close the lid again and let it sit on dum for another 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let me tell you something. I use some specific tools in my kitchen that make life so much easier. If you see something you like, then check the description box below for affiliate links. Now back to the handi. See, this is the magic of dum. And if you have enjoyed this aromatic journey, यार एक like तो बनता है. Hit that subscribe button and share this with that one friend who keeps promising to cook for you but never does. This is it. This is the taste of a cooking day well spent. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Keep cooking, keep eating, and I'll catch you in the next one. Here's your ingredient list. Screenshot it or save it on your phone. See you. Bye.